My name is Peter Steffen, and I'm the director of the Tax Resolution Institute. I want to tell you about an exciting new program we've developed, our TRI certification program. I'm actually going to go on a few minutes here because I think it's important that you understand what you get. You probably already realize that if you're doing taxes, you're in the commodity business. We want to train you to get into the tax resolution business. Remember, there's no season for people not paying their taxes. About 1/3 of IRS collection cases start with delinquent tax returns. You're going to do 3 years to 7 years tax returns at a premium price. So your $500 tax return turns into $750 or $1,000 times 3, 5, or more. That's before you get started with the resolution matter, including the collection case, the offer and compromise, the installment agreement, or the dozens of other ways we will teach you on how to solve an IRS or state collection problem. You might think that tax resolution is just installment agreements and offers and compromise. People think that tax resolution is settling for pennies on the dollar. They hear it in the middle of the night on TV or on the radio when they drive to or from the office. Nothing can be further from the truth. What about if you don't qualify for an offer and compromise? Do you know what a partial pay installment agreement is? Tax resolution is actually much more. For instance, there's a certificate of release of federal tax lien. What if you want to sell your house and you have a tax lien? Even if it's paid off, you need a certificate of release of federal tax lien to transfer clear title. Are you going to wait until the day escrow is closing to find that out? What about subordination agreements? What if your client wants to borrow money and the IRS has a tax lien filed on his real or personal property? Do you know what the trust fund recovery penalty is? Do you know that payroll taxes don't go away if you go out of business? The IRS will assess you personally. Do you know what the 4180 interview is? Do you know how the IRS assesses the responsible person? Do you know how to properly do a 4180 defense? By the way, if you stay in business and do an installment agreement, do you know that the IRS assesses the trust fund recovery penalty against the responsible person or persons? Are you a signatory on the bank account? If you are, you're probably the responsible person. But there are ways out of that. Do you know what status 63 is? If you don't, you should probably take this course. To make sure you are prepared, we provide all the ammunition you need, including 2 days of intensive training, exams you take over the 90-day training period, ensuring you understand the material, and you receive a TRI Tax Resolution Specialist designation. But wait, there's more. To make sure you're never left hanging, we include access to our VIP Platinum program. This program is only available to the people who take our certification program. This package offers a lot of good stuff, including consultation time. You not only get the 3 hours that comes with a VIP member, but because you're part of the certification program, you receive an additional 3 hours of consultation time. That's 6 hours of consultation time free with our certification program. You can use your 6 hours of consultation time for any tax resolution matter. This includes document review. We have your back if you get stuck. We will show you how to market and sell the service so you know how to access the 15 million people plus in collection at the IRS. Speaking of marketing, we also include our professional system. This $3,000 marketing kit not only helps you build a general tax practice, but the tax resolution module is included, and it will streamline the process to gain more clients. The professional system is made up of a marketing segment, a sales segment, and the optional tax resolution segment. As part of the certification program, you get all three. As additional support in understanding the material, you receive a copy of our textbook, The Ultimate Guide to Tax Resolution. When you don't have time to research the materials in depth, we also give you our desktop manual, which can be used as a quick reference guide. How about tackling sales calls? Are you tired of spending an hour on the phone with somebody only to have them say, "I have to speak with my wife," or "I'll get back to you," and they never do? The problem with professionals is that when people ask us a question, we give them a technical answer. That's called free consulting. To make sure you get new clients, we not only give you the professional systems sales module, but you also receive a copy of our Selling for Professionals book. With this, you can quickly learn how to sell properly. You will be more successful and save a ton of time. Our members that read Selling for Professionals never again become an unpaid consultant. To sum it up, you get 2 days of intensive training. You get special access to our VIP Platinum program, including 6 hours of consultation time. You get all 3 modules of our professional system. You get our textbook, our selling book, access to webinars, access to seminars, e-learning courses, access to our comprehensive forms library, and so much more. Call us now at 800-658-7590 to speak with one of our certification specialists. We need to see if you qualify for this program. There are a limited number of seats, so please call now at 800-658-7590. I'm Peter Steffen, and this is TRI.